We're a trade organization, HVAC and plumbing. It was started in 1960 by my grandfather. Our culture is very much based on a family atmosphere. I want to know who our employees are, what their interests are, their kids' names, what they're into. Helps me get a better understanding of maybe what motivates them.
I love working for a local company, and especially a family-owned company.
My mother worked here, so I just kind of continued on. I worked part-time through college and just never left.
We hire for the person, and we can typically train you for whatever we're hiring you for. We pay to train you. We pay you the whole time you're going through training. So you can make a really good living, have a really good life for you and your family.
You're going to learn a lot, and you're going to enjoy the ride that you're going to have working here and have lots of fun doing it.
We're structured to not only offer really good and competitive wages on an hourly standpoint, but we have a heavy bonus structure that not only incentivizes individual success, but then also company-wide and department-wide success as well.
I enjoy the team aspect of the company. Everybody helps everybody out. Our end goal is to take care of the customer the best we can.
Positions we were looking for would be HVAC service technician, HVAC maintenance technician, licensed plumbers, drain technicians. Always looking for HVAC apprentices.
I've been with Pioneer about 5 years.
I've been with Pioneer for 18 years.
21 years.
29 years.
As a tune-up specialist, I moved my way up through the company. Now I'm our comfort specialist.
As far as applying, they can come to 1030 East Bert, Kouns and fill out an application here. Call ahead and make sure that I'm going to be here. I do most of the interviews myself, so love to see you.
I move around a lot in the city, and our name is always coming up. We're very popular.
We have a good working family. We get along so well together.
It's always been a good vibe.
After 18 years, can't recommend them highly enough.
That's my heart and my second home.